Title: Ancient History. Queen Nzinga. The warrior queen of Angola in the 1600s, Portuguese colonizers sought to conquer Angola and enslave its people. But standing against them was a woman of fierce will, Queen Nzinga of Ndongo and Matamba. When Portuguese envoys refused to offer her a chair during negotiations, Nzinga would not bow. She ordered one of her attendants to kneel and sat proudly on his back, making it clear she would meet no man as an inferior. Nzinga was not only a diplomat, but also a warrior. She led her people into battle, forging alliances with neighboring kingdoms, and even striking deals with European powers to protect her land. For decades, she resisted slavery and colonial rule, becoming a symbol of defiance across Africa. Her reign was long, her spirit unbreakable. Even her enemies feared her name, a queen who fought not just for her throne, but for the freedom of her people. Queen Nzinga's story is a reminder that true leadership is measured not by power taken, but by freedom defended. Her legacy is not of submission, but of resistance,